So I'll say this is actually the first ice maker I've ever got, but to me it feels really good. So you can see the ice capacity is quite a lot. It should be enough to make, like, I would say 5 to 10 drinks. And the scoop pump is really convenient to, just scoop the ice into a cup. And here goes the water capacity. It's actually quite easy to refill. Basically what you do is you grab a kettle and get some water in there. I enjoy using this filter water, but I guess tap water will be fine, but I really suggest filter water because, like the mineral and stuff, it's kind of gonna corrupt the machine for a long time. So that's it. And forgot to mention that this ice maker is actually quite energy efficient. I was told that it's gonna take for like $30 per month, but actually it probably take less than $10 a month. Even though I haven't used it for a long time, but according to my daily use, it didn't increase that much. So overall, I think it's a good deal.